Long before the dinosaurs, there existed another giant species that roamed the land across North America and Europe. Arthropleura were giant myriapod arthropods with the appearance of a large millipede, known for being the largest arthropod to live on land. In fact, at least one of their fossils reached a length greater than 2 meters. They lived between the early Carboniferous and the early Permian, about 359 to 299 million years ago, in North America and Europe. It is theorized that they preferred to occupy woody habitats and thrived in humid climates.
One of the most distinctive features of the Arthropleura was their massive size. As one of the largest living arthropods to ever walk on land, it's natural to wonder, how did it get so big? Don't worry, many scientists have pondered the same question. In the past, researchers believed its size was due to the peak in oxygen levels during the late Carboniferous. The hypothesis was that higher oxygen levels would allow for arthropods to support larger bodies, a trend supported by many other arthropods that appeared during this period. However, a fossil discovered in 2021 disputes this as it dates back to the early Carboniferous, way before the rise in oxygen levels. So scientists proposed a new theory. At the time, vertebrates were only beginning to enter onto land. With few predators and competition, the Arthropleura had access to an abundance of resources, allowing them to evolve to enormous sizes as a result.
The exact cause of the Arthropleura extinction is debated, but it's believed that due to the rise of terrestrial vertebrates during the early Permian, Arthropleura faced more competition and predators. Also, during that period, Pangea was formed, leading to drier conditions which could have caused their extinction due to failure to adapt, as they thrived in moist environments.
Two of the most common methods used to extract and examine these fossils are rock extraction and micro-CT scanning. Rock extraction is when they use mechanical tools, hammers, chisels, or any other type of tool to remove the fossil from its surroundings. Micro-CT scanning is an X-ray that scans the object to create high-resolution images of its internal structure. This is used by many scientists to gain insight on the organism's ecology and other aspects. The most famous of Arthropleura fossils is the Stainmore Formation fossil, found in a fossilized river channel. This fossil is renowned due to how exceptionally well preserved it is as a result of its exoskeleton being filled with sand. It was discovered in Howick Bay in Northumberland, England. According to an article from The Conversation, the fossil was extracted using a sledgehammer and a chisel. During its removal, one side broke into pieces. However, this led to the discovery of a cross-section, which would provide insight into its internal features and growth pattern. Its full length is presumed to have been 8.5 feet long with a weight of 110 pounds. According to an article by the University of Cambridge, its fame also comes from the fact that it revealed much more information about that species because it is the largest and oldest fossil of its kind found. They learned that it preferred to live in open coastal woodland habitats rather than swamps, as they had previously thought, and also that the species was larger than they thought, and the cause for this was from more than just the oxygen levels, since it came from before that time period had even peaked.